Africa is home to 5.6 million people living with HIV. Less than half will receive the treatment they need.
Our volunteers and our facilitators have been walking the roads, up the hills, up the mountains, down the valleys for a number of years now. And getting from patient to patient takes them the whole day. Sometimes it gets so cold, you have ice on these mountains, you've got snow on the mountains. It gets so hot in this area to 36 to 39 degrees, and they have to walk. And so, yeah, it has been a difficult time. We could not be too effective. We could have reached more people.
Land Rover is willing to subsidize the cost of new vehicles for Red Cross volunteers around Africa. The challenge to get people to donate for a good cause. Nothing is out of reach. The big idea, Red Cross and Land Rover are going the extra mile to help. Presenting the Extra Mile Project by Red Cross in collaboration with Land Rover. Donors are allowed to decide what part of the vehicle they would like to contribute based on their budget. Phase 1. A series of ad-shell posters will be strategically placed around Singapore in order to create campaign awareness and attract potential donors to the microsite. It shows the supplies that are urgently needed in Africa and the potential vehicle that could get them there in time with a little help from the donors. The microsite is the main platform for the campaign where users can actually study the vehicle. They can also decide what part of the vehicle they would like to contribute based on their budget. Once they select a product they would like to contribute, they can also decide how many of the same they would like to contribute depending on the requirement. Once they check out, they can fill in their details and even dedicate their donation to a dear one. Phase 2. A direct mailer will be sent out, thanking the donor for their contribution and stating their symbolic ownership of the vehicle. A Land Rover will help Red Cross reach the many isolated communities that are out of bounds now. To help and teach people about HIV, they first need to be reached.